Go ahead, sir.
It gives me great pleasure to address you today as we commemorate the second anniversary of the Zamfara State House Assembly. I am here to present the major achievement recorded so far, as well as the challenges we have faced under my leadership since June 2023. This briefing is part of our unwavering commitment to keeping the public informed of our legislative activities and the happening in the House. It is evident that the doctrine of separation of powers among the executive, legislature, and judiciary clearly define our roles and responsibilities. Within this framework, the legislature is mandated to make laws, provide oversight, and effective representation. During the period under review, guided by our constitutional duties and the aspiration of our constituents, we have made considerable progress across various sectors of human endeavor. Legislative frameworks. Lawmaking remains the cornerstone of any legislative institution. I am pleased to inform you that the Seventh Assembly has deliberated often and passed over 43 bills. Notable among them are Zamfara State Community Protection Guards Law, Zamfara State Security Trust Fund Law, Zamfara State Consolidated Revenue Law, Zamfara State Public Expenditure Control Law, Zamfara State Economic Planning Board Establishment Law, Zamfara State Investment Public-Private Partnership Law, Zamfara State Quality Assurance Agency Establishment Law, Zamfara State Information Technology Development Agency Establishment Law, and Zamfara State Person with Disability Amendment Law. This bill underwent through legislative processes, including public hearing, to ensure that they truly reflect the need and interests of the people. In addition, the House has passed numerous resolutions initiated by individual members, drawing the attention of the state government to execute crucial projects and programs aimed at improving the welfare of our citizens. Oversight function. To ensure prudent management of state resources, the Honorable House undertook intensive oversight following the passage and the assent of the 2024 and 2025 application bill. This effort has fostered greater transparency and accountability across ministries, departments, and agencies. Moreover, every honorable members of this assembly engage with his constituents to understand their socio-political priorities and ensure their inclusion in the state annual budget. This collaborative effort has significantly enhanced societal development across all the 24 constituencies. The relationship between other arms of government enable democratic setting, harmonious collaboration among the executive, legislature, and judiciary is vital to achieving shared goals. I am proud to note that the relationship between the Seventh Assembly and the other arms of government has been cordial and productive. This synergy has contributed immensely to tangible progress in security, infrastructure, education, healthcare, and human capital development. As lawmakers, we remain committed to working collaboratively in support of the rescue mission and the peaceful agenda of His Excellency Governor Dauda. Security concern. On the issue of insecurity in some part of our state, we thank Almighty Allah and commend the sincere effort of His Excellency, the security agencies, and the patriotic citizens for the improving situation. To complement the government's effort, this is regard the Honorable House files critical laws, the Community Protection Act law, and the Security Trust Fund law. This, along with the other social protection-related legislation, aim to strengthen the security framework and alleviate the hardship of our people. I would like to take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt sympathies to victims of armed conflicts in Zamfara and a similar incident in Plateau, Benue, and Kwara State. We pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept their shahada, forgive their shortcomings, and grant them the highest place in Jannatul Firdaus. As we continue striving for lasting peace in our dear state, I appeal to the general public for their continued support, cooperation, and prayers. Internal conflict. As public servants, our primary obligation is to uphold a peaceful and stable environment that facilitates effective law-making, oversight, and representation. Regrettably, few members sought to disrupt the constitutional function of the House for personal gain, aiming to derail its focus. This action culminated in an unlawful sitting, vandalization of government properties, impersonation, and the denial of some legislators to access the chamber in February 2024, which constituted contempt of the House and led to their suspension in accordance with the relevant laws. In the spirit of justice and due process, the matter was referred to the court. Despite this, while one member has since tendered a written apology and expressed regret, others have persisted in the fines going as far as to hold an illegal gathering style as a parallel assembly. As a law-abiding institution, we shall await the court's ruling before taking further action. Let it be clearly stated that such antics will not succeed by the grace of Allah, inshallah. We remain undertaken in our constitutional responsibilities and firm in our dedication to serving the people we represent. Acknowledgement of Governor Dauda's achievement on behalf of the members of this assembly and good people of Zamfara, I wish to express our sincere appreciation to His Excellency Governor Dauda for his visionary leadership. His administration has recorded landmark achievement in infrastructure development, social intervention, economic growth, civil service reform, education, health care, gender mainstreaming, and political stability, among others. Thank you, and wassalamu alaikum.